Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix webcam not working on a Windows 11 laptop. This problem is very common, but don't worry. These easy steps can help you fix it in just a minute. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. From the left side, select Privacy and Security. Now scroll down until you see Camera and click on it. Here, make sure camera access is turned on. Also check that Let Apps Access Your Camera is enabled. After that, scroll a little further and check the list of apps. If an app like Xbox Feedback Hub needs the camera, make sure its toggle is turned on. If your camera is still not working, try this next fix. Click on the search bar and type Device Manager, then open it. Find Cameras and click the small arrow next to it. Right-click on your camera driver and select Uninstall Device. After uninstalling, go to the top menu, click Action, and choose Scan for hardware changes. Windows will automatically reinstall the camera driver. And that's it. Your camera should now be working properly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like or share and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.